you today? I hope you're fine. It's our story time, and the book we're going to read today is a nursery rhyme. The name of the book is It's Raining, It's Pouring. What can you see here? I can see an old man. And what is the old man doing? Oh, he is sleeping. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. Oh no, take a look here. It's cloudy, it's breezy. The old man is sneezy. Achoo! Achoo! He blew so hard that he moved the stars. But of course, that wasn't easy. Take a look here. The car, the cow, the stars, they're all moving with the wind. It's snowing, it's blowing. Oh, it's so cold. The old man is growing. He ate so much one day for lunch. Every part of him was showing. Can you see the belly, the big belly of the old man? It's warm and sunny. Mr. Sun is in the sky. The old man loves honey. And what's the bug that gives us the honey? It's the bee. Can you see the beehive just here? How many bees can you see? 1, 2, 3. Do you think the man is going to try to catch the honey? It's so dangerous. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. The bees now are so angry, trying to catch the old man. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh! Did he look silly? It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. They're having a picnic. Can you see? In the garden, there is grass and a beautiful blue sky, a kite, a boat. But oh no, with ants in their pants, they started to dance and dance. Ouch, ouch, ants everywhere. And ended up doing the Lindy. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezy, if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasing. Bye-bye, old man. Bye-bye, Willie. Bye-bye, Cindy. Have a good night. Bye-bye.